Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix Wix theme score. So if you're having trouble with your Wix theme score, don't worry. We'll go through some key steps to help you fix and improve your theme score quickly and easily. So compress images before uploading them on Wix. Use tools like TinyPNG to reduce file sizes without losing quality. You can also use Wix built-in image optimization features for automatic compressions, and this helps improve page load times and your theme score. Now, too many apps can slow down your site and affect the theme score. So basically, remove any unused apps from the Wix app market that aren't contributing to your site's performance. Keep only essential apps to ensure that your site loads faster. Now, Wix automatically handles caching for most sites, but check if it's enabled in the Wix editor. Caching improves Wix website speed by storing certain elements locally, so they load faster on repeat visits. Now, you should also avoid overloading your theme with heavy elements like animations and excessive codes. Choose a clean, minimalist design that prioritizes speed and functionality. Wix has performance optimized templates that naturally score better. Make sure that your site is mobile friendly, and mobile optimization is the key to improving both your theme score and user experience. You can use the mobile view in Wix editor to ensure that everything looks and functions properly on mobile devices. For advanced users, review the custom Java and CSS files in the dev mode and remove any redundant or unused code that might be slowing down your theme. Minify your code if possible to reduce file size and improve your site speed. Use tools like Google PageSpeed Insights or GTmetrix to test your site performance, because these tools will help you identify specific areas that need improvement to boost your Wix theme score. And that's how you can improve your Wix theme score, by optimizing images, minimizing apps, and following the best practices. You will see a noticeable boost in your site's performance and SEO ranking. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video.